Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Salesforce AI Champions. Today I'll be going to talk about how we can use custom metadata as a source in lookup elements in OmniScript. So I have already created a custom metadata type record like for text rule, in which I have already created some custom fields for that metadata like active, country, effective date, text percentages, and these are of the data types like checkbox, text, date, percent, and already created these records like Canada tax, India tax, UK tax, USA tax, and we can find respective tax percentages like 15, 18, 20, 10. So the use case will be I'll be using a lookup element in the OmniScript, and based on the input like country name will be the input, and based on that country name uh, we'll be showing that metadata from the metadata record like tax percentage in that lookup element. So let me just create a new OmniScript first. So on the clicking on this new button, I'll be just creating a new OmniScript, and I'll be providing the name like lookup element data source as custom metadata type. Custom metadata in lookup. I'll be clicking on save. So now we'll be redirected into the OmniScript designer page, and in the step element we'll be first putting one input element like select. So from the input section we can find this select element, and we'll be just drag and drop this one into the designer page, and I can just provide the input element name as select element name as country name, and label as country name. So in here I'll be providing some country names, and based on this so I'll be passing this select element as an input to get the records by using that lookup element. So let me just use the option source like manual. We can use different data sources as well. I have created already different tutorials on this regard. I'll be adding those tutorial link in this video description. As of now, I'll be just using the simple manual option, and in the options, I'll be just providing some country name which should match with this country name field value. So in the custom metadata, so I'll be just providing the country names like so on India. Then I'll be clicking on save menu. Let me choose India as a default value, and I'll be just click on save and new, and I'll be just providing the name like United States, and then just Canada. So we are good with these three values, and now I'll be just putting another input element like lookup element. So I have already tutorials on lookup element now, like how we can just use lookup element as a different source type. Like there are three different sources type we can use in the lookup element, like a subject, custom, pick list, filtered by record type. I have separate all the tutorials for this. I'll be adding that tutorial link in this video descriptions as well. Now for the timing, I'll be using this S object, and this custom metadata is nothing like a custom object, right, in the Salesforce, and it's ending with the double underscore MDT. That is so how we can just find custom metadata types records in Salesforce, and I'll be using this object. So let me provide the lookup element name as tax percentage. So based on this country input, country value, we'll be finding the tax percentage for the respective selected country, and lookup level like tax percentage. and let me choose this select element as required, since this will be required to find the tax percentage. And in the lookup element, I'll be choosing the data source type as manual, data source type as S object, and in here input parameters data source. So we'll be passing this element, select element, which is capturing the country name. So this data source should be country name, and we can just provide any value in here, like country, or just CONTY. We can just provide any value for this filter value, and we'll be using this value country in the lookup country configurations. So I can just click on this add new query configuration, and we can just need to provide configurations like lookup order. Lookup order is nothing but like if we have multiple lookup query configurations, so at which order this will be executed, that we can just define. So 1 2 3, those kind of lookup order we can provide for multiple lookup query configurations. Since we have just only one lookup, so we can just provide one would be the default value, and the lookup object in here we can just provide our custom metadata type object like tax rule. So let me search this one, tax. So this one, tax rule MDT, and lookup object is like we just want to match with our the field country field, and this country field, this should be equals to this our filter value, this one that we are just taking as the filter value from the data source. And in the JSON path we can just provide any value like tax metadata. So I can just click on save. So our query configurations is done. Now in the JSON path use as value is the in the lookup we just need to provide like colon ID, and again in the JSON path, so this will be the label and this will be the value. So we can just use like there are values for the custom metadata, like for country there is, for as like country field there is ID field as well. So we can consider this ID field as a value for the lookup element, lookup element value. So we can just provide the value as a ID for the lookup element name, and we can just label, in label we can just use this tax percentage field from the custom metadata, like a tax percentage double underscore C. And if we just want to verify, so this is the tax percentage field that we want to show as a label in the lookup element. So this is I can just copy this one, and we can just place this one in order to check there are no issues with the spelling. So now our configurations is done. Let me just preview this one. Since I have selected country name as its default value as India, so that is why it's showing India. Now let me check this tax percentage, and we can see this percentage is showing properly. And in here, if we just see the debug data JSON in here, since we have it is showing that ID for that custom metadata record, right? Since we have just updated our configure, since we have used this ID as a JSON path used as the value in the lookup. That is why it is taking ID. If I just put any value, like if I just put country, so in the instead of showing that ID in that data JSON, it will show the country name. So let me just check again, and if I just check this one, we can see that tax percentage is India, it's showing instead of that ID. So this is how we can just configure lookup element with the for the custom metadata records. And if I just check for any other country, let me just check. If I just select any other countries like Canada, and if I just check tax percentage, we are getting properly for Canada. Like for Canada the tax percentage is 15. So we are good, and we are getting the expected results properly. So today, so we have learned about how we can just configure a subject in the lookup element. So, and we can just show since custom metadata is type of a object, custom object in Salesforce, and we can just do lot of steps instead of making the sense whether the data is getting changed frequently. In those cases, we can just use custom metadata types. And there are a lot of other tutorials that I created regarding the custom metadata types. So I'll be adding those tutorial links as well in this uh, video description. And if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. I'll be adding more tutorials on Salesforce, OmniStudio, and Data Cloud topics. So please stay tuned.